My fridge is a hot mess, and today's the day I need to clean it out. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Candace. I love cleaning and organizational kind of things here on my channel. If you guys are interested in things like that, I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. So yeah, today I'm just gonna be messing with the fridge section because the freezer section is still clean and organized, and we don't go through that as much as we do the fridge. So the fridge has like crumbs and like spills, and the organization has lost itself somewhere in there. So I gotta refresh my fridge section of our refrigerator, and I'm gonna show you guys that today. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using. If you guys are interested in how I clean and organize my fridge, just keep watching. Inside is completely unorganized and just a mess. The shelves have spills on it. Everything is just kind of thrown in there. Condiments are here. I'm gonna go through all of this and make sure nothing is out of date. If it is, I'm just gonna throw it all out. Let's get started.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna go through everything, check expiration dates, and throw everything out that's old.
Baby, I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Better look at our shelving and how nasty they are. We have like coffee creamer up here, spilled, and just random stuff, who knows. So I'm gonna go through and clean the shelves first, and then I'm gonna go and clean the inside of these drawers.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When
These are the things that I use in my fridge to organize my fruit, yogurt, drinks, and all of that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I put in each one of these. Sometimes it does change. For the most part, it pretty much stays the same.
So keep on dancing, baby.
All of this stuff right here will all go in either like a container or something like that, and I'll show you guys in a second along with the fruit. But first I'm gonna go ahead and clean out those fruit drawers and the vegetable drawer. cleaned out these 2 drawers, and now I'm gonna just put my fruit and vegetables back where they go, unless I am going to be putting them in a special container. I filled this cucumber because I'm about to add it to these cucumbers in here, because they like to have cucumbers available. And I'm going to put the eggs in this container, which I'll show you guys. I'm going to put the raspberries and blackberries into a container. I'm going to put the sparkling water in a container. The orange juice goes in a container, and I think I'm going to put the carrots in a container. So all of this stuff is left out just to be kind of like contained into something else. So here's what I've done already. I kind of saved one shelf just for leftovers. Like I said, we need to go grocery shopping, so I wanted to clean everything out beforehand. So I just put lettuce and a leftover tomato and an onion in here. This drawer is actually for like apples and oranges and things like that. So we just kind of dump those in there after we get them. And then here is like kind of like our vegetable drawer, I guess. We have a bag of kale and then like a bag of Simply Potatoes, the hash browns. We love these. Not glamorous at all, but at least everything is still up to date as far as expiration dates. The shelves are clean. I'm gonna add my fruit and juice into all this stuff.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know about this.
Okay guys, so here is the fridge now. All of the shelves are clean, and I have things put in a place where it makes sense to me. I'm gonna start at the top and kind of explain. This is a carafe I always put orange juice in. I don't do it every single time, but I do a lot of the time, especially if we have guests over. I have 2 of those. So if we have extra juice or apple juice or something like that, I put that in there. And this water container, I got that from IKEA, and I always put lemon or lime water in there, or like a mix. I don't have a lemon right now, so I just put limes in there. Something with a little bit more flavor always helps. And then I just have like milk, sweet tea, coffee creamer, and then yogurt. And then, so for my coffee creamer, I actually have this thing right here that I always put creamer in. I just pour it into that. But this time around, my husband bought the large coffee creamer. All of that would not fit in here, and I actually do have 2 of these, but it wouldn't make sense to have 2 of these to that one. So I'm just gonna keep that for now. And then here I just put out some more like sparkling waters, and we have like dips and like hummus back there, and like cheese dips, some more individual yogurts, and then just our eggs. And the egg container, I think I got it from like Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I reserved this shelf right here just for leftovers. And then this is our cheese drawer. It really can't look any better than this, just because we get a lot of our cheese from the deli, and I just keep them in the little bags that they come in. Then right here is the fruit section, and I try to keep this where the kids can actually reach it or access it on their own if they needed to. Fruit containers are from Target, and I keep raspberries and blackberries in there. And then we love to have tomatoes with like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then this is just individual cheeses, and then cucumbers and carrots. And then here is an empty drawer pretty much with like lettuce and a tomato and an onion. We usually have apples and oranges in there, and we definitely need to go grocery shopping. And then in here is just like kale and then those hash brown potatoes. So that is how I am organizing my fridge right now. Of course it changes depending on what we get and who's coming over or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the outside of the fridge now.